In this video, I will show you how to create and submit Wix Sitemap to Google Search Console. In order to do that, just make sure to get the URL of your Google. Then after that, go right here and then make sure to add it in as a property. Add it as a URL prefix. And after that, head over and click on continue. I have already added that right around here, which is just right there. So it will check for verification. Now, just head over and then download this HTML right here. And then once it's downloaded, just go right here to your site and then upload it on your files. Go right here to your settings. And then once you're in there, go to SEO settings. And then once you're in here on SEO settings, you can head over and then add the meta tag for this one. So scroll down until you can see the option for this. Click right here on the main pages, and then after that, just make sure to customize the defaults and add in here the URL for this one. Now you can upload it from in here, or you can also copy the actual thing that's inside in here and then upload it from there.